Hello everyone, this is Carol here and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about the idiom 自相矛盾, what it means and the story behind the idiom. To understand the idiom, we have to first understand the two characters in it. 矛 means spear and 盾 means shield. The idiom is used to describe self-conflicting people or situations. So the story behind the idiom goes something like this. A long time ago in the state of Chu, or 楚国, there was a merchant who sells weapons and armors. One day the merchant is selling his goods on the street and he held up his spear and went, "My spears are the finest spears in this whole wide world and it can penetrate any shield that's ever made to exist." Then he held up his shield and goes, "This is the finest shield in the world and it can stop any spears or weapons coming its way." Someone then asked the merchant, "Well, what's going to happen when I take your spear and stab your shield?" Of course, the merchant is then unable to answer that question and had to pack up and leave. So the word 自相矛盾 can be used to describe people or situations that are self-conflicting. For example, 你刚才说你昨天在家，现在又说昨天出门看电影，你这是自相矛盾。Earlier you said you were home yesterday, and now you say you went for a movie yesterday. You're self-conflicting. It's also worth noting that 矛盾 can be a word on its own. The word 矛盾 loosely translates to contradiction or conflict. It is usually used as a noun, but there are some exceptions. For example, 他们两个人一直都有矛盾。There's always been conflicts between the two of them. 面对如此困难的抉择，她的内心十分矛盾。Faced with such difficult choices, her heart is very conflicted. I hope you learned something new today. Leave a comment below and try to form a sentence with this new word. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.